What's up, guys? It's Gene. Today we're back for another video. And today we're gonna be playing this game called 10 More Bullets, in which you only have 10 bullets, obviously. And let's see how many ships you can destroy. So we're gonna play AK's mode, and we have 185. Let me see what we can get. Boosters, grabbers, special waves. See, I'll get one of these, grappers, two grappers. Anyway, so click the space bar to shoot. Let's try one. Okay, that failed. Try it again. Oh yeah, and like every time we hit a ship, they explode into their own missiles and stuff. And so yeah, that first explosion wasn't that impressive or anything, but still pretty minor. First wave. Okay, ooh, we have a ×2 bonus, and our score's like 31 already. So nice. That's gotta be good. Ooh, horizontal wave. Oh my freaking god! Did you see that? Zigzag? What is that supposed to be? No! The bullets are going everywhere! Oh my god, my score's already 121. Like, seriously? That was crazy. Did you see that? Oh my god, not another wave. I'm down to 3 bullets already, which is really worrying. Oh my. Oh my god. 191. 92. It's like I'm not even doing anything, and it's just like automatic. They're like setting themselves off. It's so cool. It's like it actually sounds a lot like fireworks, to be honest with you. To score couldn't hurt. I mean, why did I do that? Last one. Gotta really make this one count. Fast bonus. No! Oh no! Wait. Am I like? I have hope. I have hope. I have hope. I have hope. And we're dead. We're game over. That was really fun, though. Let's play that again. I know. Yes. So we're gonna wait until hi. I'll grab the power ups on the ground for you. I'm gonna wait until there's a ton of ships, like right now. Boom. Okay, maybe not. Wasn't as big as I thought it would be. Oops. That was an accident. Just so you guys know. I'll wait until maybe there's a power up or something. I got 2 grabbers now. There's barely any ships. I want to wait until there's a ton of ships. I'm gonna just like wreck half kind of everything. Let's see. Okay, that was okay. I mean, I don't know why I'm saying okay so much. Okay, oh god, oh my god. Well, that was never mind. We're waiting for the ships. This seems at just the right time. Maybe not. I'm wasting all my bullets too. Oh, come on! Finally, an okay explosion. And my score's only 31 and I'm down to 3 bullets. Like, how bad can you get? 2 last bullets. Let's go. Maybe not. Yeah. Okay, if this last bullet is a really big explosion, that's okay. 0 bullets. Game over. Okay, 50K was pretty bad. This is the leader. I mean, not leaderboard. Where even am I? Okay, I probably aren't even isn't even on that. Only 366. Sorry. Big waves, lots of ships. Definitely. More boosts at the same time, sure. But definitely more waves. I mean, gotta do waves. And we set off the first. Oh, what is that? What is that thing supposed to be? I don't even know, but that looks super cool. Nice. Higher wave ships are liberated. These are literally just like fireworks. Like these things are just so destructive. Oh my god. There's a ton of power. Wait, oops. There's a ton of power ups right there. Oh, I didn't do that. Special wave. Nice. Okay. Oh, 100. Nice. Nice. Ooh, score times two. Grapple speed up. This is score times two. This is gonna be epic. Let me see something else. Still going. Maybe not. Four left. Okay. Okay. Three balls left. My score's 135. My highest score is right about 200. But I think on the leaderboard, some people got like 13,000 or what. I think right now. So nice, perfect. It's doing exactly what I thought it would. Blow up stuff. Yes. The bullets, like two bullets. Ooh, shoot for free. Okay, this is gonna be nice. I don't even need to shoot now. Like I'm literally just watching the explosions of these things. Okay, we can shoot for free. And we need to find a really, we need to wait for a really good wave. Maybe just waiting more ships. Yeah, nice. Okay, last one. Gotta really make this one count here. We might be able to beat a high score if we time this exactly right. Let me see. Oh my god. I'm horrible at this. Yeah. Good job, games. That must be, yeah. That's okay. It's okay. 214. Ooh. I want to upgrade. You can get better explosions. That's gonna be epic. Once I upgraded, of course. Of course, that's what happens. Special wave zigzag, nice. Oh my god, I didn't even need to do anything. It's just like bullet, 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 bullet. Right, 9 bullets and I'm at 53 already. Killer. Literally killer. Oh my god. This is so crazy. No way. Stop. Oh my god. This is really, really, how should I say this? Like, I'm still like, what, 8? 7. I still have 7 balls left, my score's already in the hundreds. Perfect, this is a perfect time. Do it, go, go, go. Do it, you can do it. Oh, nice! Yeah, that's my brother Jason Clemson. Though if you heard that, which I'm not sure you did. But it doesn't really matter at this point. Right. And 4 left. I'm at 142. Okay, this could be good. I said could be. I didn't say it will be. Right now. Okay, maybe not. Right. I'm counting on this one bullet. Yes, mini wave. Boost bonus. Oh my god. What is up with this? More ships? Oh my god. These things. Wait. Let me see. Okay, so last bullet. Let's go. This one now. Perfect. All those explosions. Still going. Still going. I could get a high score here. I might be able to. Yes, keep going. Keep going, my pretty. Rating gold. Rating gold. I should be dead, right? I'm pretty sure I'm dead. Okay, it's literally raining gold. Like, what? Come on, there's a ton of ships here. I can't freaking fight. Oh, that's sad. Yep, game over. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video and want me to do more, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!